This training video will be guiding you on how to set up MT4, especially on the Trend multiplier robot. So you will be getting it from forexpipsplus.com. So we have two types of product: Turbo Robot Profit Maximizer and Trend multiplier. This video will be mainly on Trend multiplier, on how to setting up this. So what you will learn on this topic will first, you will learn how to set up on MT4 step by step. Set up the AA on the MT4 step by step. Second, how to choose your currency pairs. Third, test your settings in MT4 tester. By the end of this training, you should be able to install the AA on the MT4 and test them in demo account. So you are receiving an email from us during you opt in our website forexpipsplus.com and wanted to acquire a copy, so trial version. So you will receiving an email from us, so we are congratulating you on the email, and then you will have a link for you to copy and download. So first we have to click this from your email. Click this from your email and it will bring you to download bucket. So on the download button, you can click this download button for you to get the copy. So before that, we have a 30 days. This is 30 days trial, and you will receiving two copies. First is this is the copy that we will be going through, and the other one is Turbo Robot Profit Maximizer, whereby another video trainings we have link it's over here, right? You can click this, and also this is a Trend multiplier. So click this download button, and then you open up that, and then open this Trend multiplier robot. Okay, so inside the folder, the file, you will have three sets of things that inside. So first is your encrypted key. So this is your encrypted key. We'll be going to use that later on. So next is manual. So all the settings is inside the manual. You can play around, so make sure to understand the manual. The next is the Trend multiplier copy, which is this is the robot that we are going to use. So first is you have to copy this, right click and copy, and next what you have to do is open up your MT4. So we already have MT4 here, so we are using a demo account. Make sure you're using demo account, and we are using Forex for you as a demo account. So next is you go to file, open up the data folder, so it will come out with a window. Alright, so next is you have to go to MQL4. So click the MQL4 and you go to experts, and then paste that over here inside the expert folder. So normally you have a lot of expert advisors inside, but I purposely to delete it and to show that this is the folder that you got to paste it. Alright, so you can close it, and then next you have to go to your navigator tab. So you got to go to view the next tab, and then you go to navigator. So navigator tab, then you go to expert advisors. So what you're gonna do is click this and refresh. So after you refresh that, you can see that the Trend multiplier that is already installed. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is you go to the add symbol, so plus symbol. So you're going to click this and then select which currency that you're going to use. Alright, so let's say you click the Euro US dollar currency pair. So we click this and then click the H1, and make sure that you are clicking this auto trading here. So basically before you adding it here, you should click this auto trading mode, auto trading button. Alright, so make sure this is in green. Okay, if it's red, it's not functioning. You should be in green. Alright, so next is you go to your expert advisor, and then you drag it, and then you have your copy. So click that OK, and then you will be seeing this stop EA stop as a place key in encrypted key. So key is attached during the download or contact developer. So you should get that key from your download at the time. So you go and go back to your download folder, and then should be not this one. Okay, encrypted key here, and then you copy this one and paste it over here. So we'll minimize this. So what you're gonna do is you right click this window, and then go to expert advisors, properties. Next is click this and double click this one and paste it. Alright, so once you paste it, and then assuming that all the settings are okay, or you're using the default setting, so you can click this OK. Alright, so it's already here. So you are giving a 30 days trial on this copy. Alright, so you have a 30 days trial for you to try. So you already have the AA, and it will be automatically open the trade. For trend multiplier, it will automatically open the trade with a buy and one sell. Alright, so now you will be trying the let's say you are try up this robot during weekends, so you will not be open the trade. Okay, but if you're trying up in weekdays, it will auto open. You can see the trading over here. Alright, so let's say you are assuming that you are opening up on the weekends. So first is we will be using the tester. Alright, so the strategy tester over here. So next is you have to click this portion here, and then select that AA that you have, the robot that you have. Then next is select the currency that you want. Choose the everything. This is the most precise method, and then click. You can click this over here, either use date or when the date you want to use it. You can use it any date, previous dates. Alright, this is a previous date, and then you click the first. You want to see how the AA works, so you can click the visual mode over here. Choose H1 or 1 hour, and then spread is current. Then expert advisor, make sure you have add in the encrypted key. Alright, so same encrypted key. Alright, and then assuming that we use the default setting, so we just click it OK, and then next you have to do is try the AA, and it's going to start. So it will come out the window like this. This is for tester purpose. So the tester, you can see that the tester is opening up, the robot is opening up for the trading. You can see here, and you can see the result here. See that is open and one buy and one sell, and you can see it over here also buy one and one sell trade, and you can see here later on the graph. So this means that your settings and the way how you download and add in the AA in MT4, and you have tried it, the AA is working well. And you can see also the journal as well here. You can see that, so it's working. Alright, so that's how it works, and you're able to see that how is the testing. So you can see here is based on your settings, you can see that particular entry and what is the settings. Okay, so please go and check back and our another video whereby you can see how the settings on this portion, I mean this area. You can check this, how is the calculation works and how is it. So you can change this any of the settings. All right. So it will explain to you well on here, and also the video, the link it over here. You can see that. So that's it. And don't forget that if sometimes you experience that the AA is not working, you didn't see this smile picture over here, and even though you are adding it, this one is a already green color. So make sure that you can do it back again and try to drag it back again and install back again. So that's how to if you experience some difficulties. All right, so just do it back again and make sure this one is in green color. All right. And if you have some queries, please let us know by sending us an email at forexpipsplus.com or message us at Skype ID dongrex13. So we will be replying you there, as our support is actively replying you. So, or any confusion that you have, so just give us a message. So thank you, thanks a lot, and good day and happy trading.